Hello everyone, how is it going? In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can connect your AI assistant to Spidra. Before now, you've been able to use and enjoy Spidra using the playground or via our API. But today we are proud to announce that our MCP is live. And you can use Claude Code, Claude Desktop, Cursor, VS Code, and Windsurf, whichever you use presently. What are MCPs? MCP stands for Model Context Protocol, and it basically acts as a universal USB-C port for artificial intelligence, letting large language models safely connect to external data sources, files, and tools without any custom code for each connection. For today's tutorial, I will show you how you can use the Claude Desktop and connect to Spidra. For both free users, both paid users, you can enjoy the MCP, and I'll be showing you just that. So the first thing we have to do is to download the Claude Desktop. I have the Claude Desktop downloaded right here. As you can see, it is here. And what I have to do right now is to go to settings. This is settings, and once I click on it, I'll be shown this modal. So clicking on connectors, you see a list of all your connected connectors here and the ones that are not connected. What we have to do is just click on this button and add custom connector. So I'll need to provide a name, which is Spidra, and the remote MCP server URL. I'm going to head back to the connector here, and I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste it right here, and I'm going to click on add. So this is going to connect to Spidra. If you are connecting for the first time, it will open up a new modal in your browser that you will have to authorize it. But for me, I've connected a dozen times, so that's why I just connected immediately. So all I have to do is to just close this, and I have to restart my Claude Code to confirm if everything works correctly. After I've restarted my Claude Code, I'm going to come back to settings, click on settings, come back to connectors, and confirm if it is connected. And as you can see, this is Spidra. You can see it is custom, and the status means connected. If you click on connected, you can confirm it right here. If you click on it, you're able to see the Spidra MCP, and you'll be able to see all the tools. As you can see, we have the bash script URL, the check batch status, check crawl status, call a website, re-extract from crawl, and so on and so forth. You can go through that yourself. I'm going to close this up. So I'll show you how you can test the MCP out. The first thing we're going to do is a basic single page script. I'm going to copy this prompt. I already wrote this down so it is easier and faster. I'm going to paste it here. So what I'm saying is script the newscombinator.com and give me the top 5 stories with their points. So I'm going to hit enter, and Claude will start doing its thing. As you can see, it has found it too. Now it is using Spidra. I'm going to allow this once, and it is going to scrape the news.ycombinator.com website for us, and it's going to give us data. And as you can see, here are the top 5 stories on Aka News right now, sorted by points, how to use LLMs to learn complex tools, etc. So that is our first script that was done. And to confirm this, all we have to do is head back to Spidra in our overview, then go to logs, refresh the logs, and if you click on it, you'll be able to see it right here. As you can see, I'm going to close this, go back to overview, then going back to the doc, let's try to perform another action, which is merging multi-page script. So this is a comparison. So I'm going to copy this prompt too that I wrote here. I'm also going to paste it right here and hit enter. So I'm saying compare the pricing pages of stripe.com, Paddle and paddle.com. Tell me which is cheaper for a small SaaS. I'm going to allow these ones. It's going to bring out another model for me. Hopefully it's picturing it right now. And we should get our response in no time. We should get our response in no time. So it is currently untangling it. And yes, this is the second model I was talking about. After the second model, there were two other models, and I just accepted it once. And as you can see, it gave us a clear comparison using the Spidra script function, which is a tool in our MCP. It did that, and as you can see, it carefully compared them together, and it generated a very solid response for us. Another thing we can also perform is crawling. So I'm going to copy this prompt, and I'm going to also paste it right here. Basically, I'm saying crawl the Spidra.io blog, follow only the article links, and give me each post title and author. Cap it at just 5 pages. So I'm going to hit enter right now, and it's going to, okay, let me allow once. It's going to crawl the Spidra blog, right? And it's going to get, let me allow again. I'm going to get each post title and author. Just cap it to just 5, right? That is what I want it to do. And as you can see, it's already performing the action right now. And voila, we have our data. So Spidra is live on product on today. How to scrape data using Beautiful Soup. And all this is written by Joel Olawanle. So this also works, this checks out. You can click on this URL and you can confirm it. Joel Olawanle. So I'm going to close this up. I'm also going to check usage and credit. So for example, you want to know the credits you've spent so far. You can just simply check it. How many Spidra credits have I used in the last 3 days? So let's just check this real quick. So as you can see, it found a new tool, which is the get usage statistics tool. Going up, you see that the tool it used there is a crawling tool. If you go up, this is scrape web pages tool. So coming down, over the last 3 days, August 8 to 10, I have used 46 Spidra credits, all of it on August 10, which is today, right? August 8 and 9 has zero activity because it was the weekend. So this is the total breakdown, and all this is true and confirmed. So let's perform some other activities. Let's check for the past job logs, right? If you click on this, so show me my last 5 Spidra jobs and whether they succeeded or failed. I'm going to allow this, and if you look at the tool it's using, it is the list scrape log. So this is a tool, and as you can see, it has the time, the URL, the status, and the credit used. So everything is carefully noted and confirmed using the Spidra MCP, right? So that is everything I want to show you in this video. You can check out our documentation for more information about the Spidra MCP, how you can use it locally. And one more thing before I leave you, in case you want to disconnect the Spidra MCP, it is very, very simple. All you just have to do is come here, go to your settings, and go to the connectors. Right here, click on it, then disconnect. It's going to bring up this model, then you can easily disconnect it. So Spidra has been successfully disconnected. If you go back to your connectors, you see, can you see? That's been disconnected. You can head back to the Spidra dashboard. If you go to logs, you'll be able to see everything we did. This is our script history. The crawl history is also here. As you can see, this is the crawl history. This is also the scrape history, everything we did today. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.